Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to I am going to put on a port on this board. This specific board is for the A20. It's actually a board that we have used in the past to get parts from, as you can see. So I am going to show you how you can put on a port on this, and also you can take it off as well. I have a brand new port here and we'll be using this port. So what we're going to do, we are going to remove the solder where we have the connected hole for the foot for the port. Just lovely. You can actually see that the hole is cleared from this distance away. And we are going to do the other side. And we're looking good. We are looking good. Yeah. So I just want you to have a look. Just have a look. You can see that the holes are clear. So what we're going to do, we should be able to connect the port. We need to make sure that the hole is cleared 100%. So guys, for us to put this in, all we have to do, what I am going to do to ensure that this is completely connected properly, well, I noticed that this hole is a bit tight. I'm going to use, so what we're going to do, we are going to solder one of the end. Ensure that that is soldered properly, and we're going to do the other end. We're looking good. And for the back pins, we want to ensure that these are soldered properly as well. So guys, this can be done using the soldering iron, and it can also be done using the hot air. So we need to ensure that the back pin is soldered down.
Beginning of next month?
Yeah. So we're going to use some flux. We're going to ensure that the pins are soldered properly. So guys, what I am going to do, I am going to test to see if we are getting any voltage from this port. Well, I am going to test from this connection here. That should go to the main board. So if I hold this here and I use this pin here, as you can see, my meter is showing about 8 volts. I think that these phones support fast charging, but definitely this port is working, and it was successfully replaced, installed. So guys, my name is Lens. That's how you can change your port for your Samsung Galaxy A10 A20 A51 A52 A71, all of those Samsung phones in which you want to replace your port. This is how it can be done.